This video is going to introduce you to mandala art. It is a beginner introduction to mandala. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a pair of scissors and you're going to have a sheet of paper. We have to make the paper into a square. So what you do is you hold the paper and you're going to fold it and you're going to line up the edge of the paper. Okay, just like that. So the edge is going to be connected, lined up. And then you crease, so it's going to look like a triangle. What you're going to do is you're going to cut along this edge of your paper, and once you do that, it's going to turn into a perfect square piece of paper. Okay, so you can throw this piece of paper away, and when you open it up, it will be a perfect square. So you have one crease already folded. You're going to open up your paper, and you're going to line up this point to this point. So you open up your paper and you fold this way, line up the edge of your paper and crease again. So that's two folds now. Open up your paper and now you're going to fold it this way. Line up the edge of your paper, make a crease, open it up. So that was side to side fold, and then now you're going to go top to bottom fold. Line up the edge of your paper, crease it, open it up. So when you do that, you will see you have creases, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. It'll turn into 8 sections. You're going to get your pencil, and when we do mandala art, you use a lot of symmetry. Symmetry means whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. So whatever you do on the top, you do on the bottom. Whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right side. So once you have your creases, go ahead and get your pencil. I am using a Sharpie so you can see my lines, but you go ahead and get your pencil and you draw a line directly on the crease. You can get a ruler if you want, or just take your time and trace right on the crease. And there should be an intersection right in the middle of your paper where all the creases connect and meet. So do your best to follow the creases, and you divide your paper with the creases. Okay, now once you do that, now you're going to start drawing your designs, and like I said, you're going to repeat. So repeat patterns is what makes mandala art. You are either going to repeat your lines, your shapes, or your colors. So whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. Whatever you do on the top, you do on the bottom. So I'm going to start with, for example, a curved line like that. So you're going to make sure you do that on every section, and you do your best to make it the exact same size. So this is just an introduction to mandala, so it's not going to be exact, but you do your best. Alright, so then another example, for example, I'm going to do a curved line like that, elongated curved line. So I'm going to do that on the top, I'm going to do it on the bottom. And you do that on every line. And you try to do it the exact same size, like I said. So you come up with whatever lines and shapes that you want to repeat, and you go all the way around your paper and come up with whatever designs. But make sure whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right. Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. Like I said, top to bottom, repeat. I'm going to do, for example, a circle right on the line of each one. Okay, so you do not have to repeat the lines and shapes that I'm doing. You make up your own designs. But you either slow down this video and follow me, or you can come up with your own designs. And then once you finish your repeated patterns, lines, shapes, then you're going to repeat your colors. So you're going to pick one color and you're going to do the exact same color of every section. Okay? And that is your very easy introduction to mandala art. Come up with whatever designs you want, and then you get your crayons, your markers, or your color pencils, and you decorate however you want to do. Hopefully you had fun learning about mandala art, symmetry art, and repeat lines, shapes, and colors.